If Slack is giving you error code 108, don't worry, this is usually a connection or browser issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can get Slack working again. These steps are simple, safe, and most of the time they solve the problem without needing anything complicated. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping, Slack may fail to load properly and trigger error code 108. If the speed test looks bad, try moving closer to your router, restarting your modem, or waiting until your connection stabilizes. Next, switch your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, try switching back to Wi-Fi. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your current network or with Slack itself. Sometimes a school, office, or the public network can block certain services, so testing another connection can make the problem go away immediately. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxy tools can interfere with Slack's connection to its servers, and that can easily cause error code 108. If you have a VPN running, turn it off completely, then reopen Slack and check if it loads normally. If you're using a proxy in your browser or system settings, disable that too. This is one of the most common fixes for connection-related Slack errors. Now let's clear the browser cache. If you're using Slack in Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. From here, clear cached images and files. You don't always need to delete everything, but clearing the cache can remove damaged data that may be preventing Slack from loading correctly. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it. If you're using the Slack desktop app, this step can still help if the app is relying on browser-based data or embedded sign-in information. Finally, refresh Slack and try again. Reload the page if you're in the browser, or fully restart the Slack app if you're on desktop. In many cases, once your connection is stable and the cache is cleared, Slack will open normally and the error will disappear. If it still isn't working, go back through the steps one more time, especially the network switch and VPN check, because those are the biggest causes of this issue. So to recap, check your internet speed, switch your network, disable VPN or proxy, clear your browser cache, and then refresh Slack. Those 5 steps will fix error code 108 in most cases. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.